if the heights of persons are 140 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 152 centimeter, 158 centimeter and 161 centimeter respectively, find the mean height. So first our observations are 140, we add them all, 140, 150 plus 152 plus 158 and 161. We find the sum of the observations, and that is 761. So sum of all observations equal to 761. Now when we find the mean, the formula for the mean is sum of all observations divide by the number of observations. Now we know the sum of the observations is 761, and how many observations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. So it is divided by 5. So mean equal to 152.2 centimeter. Now find the mean of these numbers. So the first step, we need to find the sum of observations. So we add up the observations, 994 plus 996 plus 998 plus 1002 plus 1000. And when you add up, you get 4990. In the second step, we find the mean. And mean is sum of all observations divide by the number of observations. And the sum is 4990, and here the number of observations, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. So divide by 5, and the mean is 998. Find the mean of the first 5 natural numbers. So natural numbers start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the first 5 natural numbers. So in the first step, we need to find the sum of all observations, and that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 plus 5 equal to 15. Next we have 5 observations. So our mean equal to sum of all observations divide by number of observations. And that is 15. Number of observations 5. So the answer will be 3. So the mean of the first 5 natural numbers is 3. Find the mean of all factors of 10. So first let us find the factors of 10. Is 1, 2, not 3, not 4, 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, and 10. These are the factors of 10. So we need to first find out sum of observations and that is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10, so equal to 18. Now for the mean, sum of all observations divide by the number of observations. So the sum is 18, and the number of observations we have seen is 1, 2, 3, 4 observations. So divide by 4, and the answer is 4.5. So the mean of factors of 10 is 4.5. Find the mean of the first 10 even natural numbers. So we need to write even natural numbers. So natural numbers start from 1, but they have to be even. So it is 2, 3, no, because it is not even, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I think we have 10 of them now. So remember, they have to be even and natural. We cannot take 3, we cannot take 5, we cannot take 1 because they're all odd numbers. So in the first step, we find the sum of observations. Sum of observation will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. When you add up, you get 110. The next is number of observations. We know are 10. They said 10 even natural numbers. So the mean equal to sum of all the observations divide by number of observations, and the sum is 110, number of observations 10, the answer is 11. So the mean equal to 11. Find the mean of the following. So first we need to find the sum of them. So the sum will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So 5x plus, and now we got to add 2 plus 4, 6, 12 and 20. So 20. 5x plus 20 is the sum. Number of observations. If you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. So now to find the mean, sum of all observations divide by number of observations. So sum is 5x plus 20, number of observations is 5. We take 5 common out here, so you get x plus 4 over 5. You cancel this out, so your mean equal to x plus 4. Find the mean of the first 5 multiples of 3. So let's write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12, and 3 into 5, 15. So here are 5 multiples. So next we need to find the sum of the multiples, sum of the observations. Which is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15, which is 45. Number of observations equal to 5. We have 5 observations. So now the mean will be sum of all observations divide by number of observations. So sum here we see is 45. Here we found the sum 45 and the number of observations 5. So mean is 9. The number of children in 10 families of a locality are given below. Find the mean number of children per family. So first we need to find the sum. So sum will be 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. You add 5, 1, 1 plus 5. So here the total or the sum is 30. Now the number of observations are 10. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I think there's a mistake. There are not 10 families. We have 11 families, not 10 families. So number of observations will be 11. So for mean, sum of all observations divide by number of observations, and that is 30 divided by 11, which is equal to 2.7272. So you can say 2.72 bar. The mean marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. So here mean equal to 40. The number of students is 100. So we know mean equal to sum over number of students. So if we put the value, we know mean is 40, the sum we do not know, but the number of students is 100. Here we have number of students 100. So 40 into 100 equal to sum. So 4000 equal to sum of the marks, sum of or the total of all the marks. Now for the second part, however, they noticed something. They discovered that the score of 53 was misread as 83. So this total was not a correct total. This was an incorrect sum. Incorrect sum was 4000. And 53 was misread as 83. So 53 was the correct reading and 83 was wrong. So the correct total, to get the correct total or the correct sum, what we must do is 4000 is the incorrect one. Here we have to add 53 because 53 was the right one, and we have to subtract 83 because 83 was wrong. It was misread as 83. So 83 we need to subtract. So the correct total now is 3970, and the right mean or the corrected mean will be the correct sum over number of observations. N will put as number of observations. The correct sum is here 3970, and the number of observations we know were 100. So when you divide this, you get 39.7 is a corrected mean. So in all these sums, you first find the total, and then you add the correct reading and subtract the wrong reading. Find the arithmetic mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers. So we need to write odd natural numbers. So the odd natural numbers is, the first one is 1, 2 is even, so you have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So these are the first odd natural numbers. We need to find the sum of observations, which is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, which is equal to 100. Now number of observations equal to 10. So to find the mean, we need to find sum of observations over number of observations. The sum is 100, the number of observation 10, so the mean is 10.